a quick guide to clean your windows fast and efficient. Brilliant product. So first off, put the detergent always straight on the fiber and don't be shy on it. Use a little bit of water, not too much. Maybe scuff the fiber pad so it's not dripping wet. Create a lot of bubbles. They're less runny, it's less hectic. Your window cleaning is still done fast and efficient. As soon as the squeegee touches the glass, it's bone dry. Pressure plates, right hand side for right hand edge. Left hand side for left hand edge. What they do is they put a little bit more pressure on the blade, and cleaning frames is a little bit easier this way. Start at the top and make sure you have all the water behind. If you miss something, there's a mark there. Just go across, above and down. And this way the dirty water travels into the housing. No messy drips, no wet hands, no lines. Pour that back into the bucket and your job is done in no time. Happy window cleaning.